When selecting the best tax app for your annual filing, there is no one-size-fits-all answer that's perfect for everyone. For the 2025 tax season, that's taxes for 2024, we've looked at the best and worst features of each online tax software program, from price to ease of use and everything in between. For the first time in several years, we have new winners in top categories. Let's get right into it. First up, best free tax filing software. Our winner in this category is Cash App Taxes, and our runner-up is H&R Block Free. Cash App Taxes offers truly free filing for all users in 2025, but support is extremely limited and not all tax situations are covered. If you qualify for Cash App Taxes, it can save you up to $100 or more in tax preparation compared to an accountant or other DIY options. Next, let's talk about best tax software for student loan borrowers. Our winner in this category is TaxSlayer, and runner-up is again H&R Block. TaxSlayer offers a balance of features and cost with more affordable pricing than the industry leaders. If you're a recent grad with student loan interest and taxes are not overly complicated, TaxSlayer could be a winner for you. Next up, best tax software for investors. And the winner is TurboTax. And our runner-up is again H&R Block. TurboTax allows you to import trade details from most large brokerage account providers with just a few clicks. For others, you can upload your trade data and add them to your tax return with just a few clicks. If you have multiple investment accounts or cryptocurrency trades, TurboTax may be worth the extra cost compared to H&R Block and other tax providers. You'll have to weigh the costs and the time commitment to decide which is best for you in the long run. To get more specific on crypto, let's jump into our next category, which is best tax software for cryptocurrency. And the winner is TurboTax. And our runner-up is TaxAct. TurboTax makes it easy for Coin-based customers to import transactions into the tax software. Once you import your transactions, TurboTax does the math to help you declare profits and losses. You'll need to upgrade to TurboTax's premium level to access cryptocurrency features, including the Coinbase import tool. TurboTax also allows users to upload spreadsheet versions of IRS Form 8949 from other cryptocurrency tax tools. Filers can use a tax calculator, and they can import the reports directly into TurboTax. And for a different investment path altogether, let's talk about the best tax software for landlords. Our winner is TaxSlayer. Runner-up is Cash App Taxes. Landlords have some of the most complicated returns out there. Tracking a property's income, expenses, and depreciation can be tedious, but it's essential for tax time. TaxSlayer Classic supports all major tax forms, including Schedule E for rental income. Landlords will appreciate TaxSlayer's easy-to-use interface and the jargon-free articles that explain how deductions can be claimed. Plus, it's cheaper than TurboTax and H&R Block for similar features. Next up, tax software for side hustlers. The winner is Cash App Taxes, and runner-up is TaxSlayer. Cash App Taxes allows side hustlers to prepare their tax returns for free. While filers can't import information, the software serves up helpful info bubbles throughout the software to smooth the tax filing experience. The free price tag and usability makes Cash App Taxes a great choice for side hustlers without complicated expenses. It doesn't work with K-1 income, which is more common for full-time self-employed business owners. Now let's review our pick for the best tax software for small business owners. The winner is TaxSlayer. Runner-up is TurboTax. TaxSlayer offers premium tax filing software at a much lower price point than H&R Block and TurboTax. Small business owners who need to categorize unique expenses can get on the phone with a self-employment expert. TaxSlayer is about 2/3 the price of our runner-up and offers more valuable perks. It doesn't, however, automatically generate W-2 or 1099 NEC forms for employees. Small business owners who need those forms may need to consider TurboTax instead. Next up, best virtual tax preparation. Our winner is H&R Block, and runner-up is TurboTax. Upload your tax documents to H&R Block through a secure online portal, and a CPA or enrolled agent will handle the filing from there. The software will even provide an estimated time until completion when you select your tax professional. You may need to answer a few questions via phone or email, but the process is simpler than filing yourself. If you want in-person tax prep, you can also use H&R Block in-person or drop-off services, where instead of uploading your documents, you can just drop them off at a local office. And the best for tax refund loan, our winner is TurboTax. TurboTax is one of the only few tax filing companies issuing tax refund advance loans this year. Filers can qualify for up to $4,000, which is received in minutes after the IRS accepts your electronically filed tax return. And last but not least, our best overall tax software category, the winner is Free Tax USA. And the runner-up is TurboTax. After a long streak, TurboTax has lost its top ranking to Free Tax USA. While we think that TurboTax is one of the easiest ways to do taxes, the high cost and lack of clear upfront pricing made us reconsider the best option. For the average filer, without too many investment accounts, we find the value and features at Free Tax USA too compelling to overlook. All users get free federal filing, and states cost just $14.99 each. You can upgrade to get technical support with the app for $7.99 and the support from a tax professional for $39.99. You'd pay that multiple times over with premium price competitors. While it doesn't include the option to import tax data from banks and brokerage firms, and you must do that manually through tax form details, it's still easy to use and very good for the cost. If someone from Free Tax USA is listening to this, we'd like to see the ability to import all of our 1099 PDFs in the future. There you have it. There is no shortage of tax filing options for you to consider. Depending on your situation, you may need a premium tool with advanced features, or you may do fine with a free tax software app. To access our entire list, please use the links below or click the link in our video description. Also, share with us in the comments below which one you went with or which one you're considering. We'll see you in the next video.